In aviation, efficiency is everything. Unplanned downtime isn't just inconvenient, it's a costly disruption to your operation and reputation. Meet BAE Systems' FADEC Overhaul program. It's at the core of your engine's performance, ensuring optimal efficiency and control. Meticulously designed by the innovators who build your critical system components, our overhauls keep you in mind. That's why we focus on thorough inspection and strategic enhancements. We don't wait for problems. We keep them from ever happening. The choice is easy: regular, scheduled maintenance, or scrambling to fix unexpected problems. The result of an overhaul? Your fleet runs like clockwork. Your engines stay reliable and efficient. Your customers are satisfied. It also keeps your costs down. One overhaul costs significantly less than the alternatives. It's about more than just on-time flights. It's about seamless operations, maintaining asset value, and most importantly, customer satisfaction. Take the next step with BAE Systems' FADEC Overhaul program and keep flying.